O kind friends and companions, come join me in rhyme, and lift up your voices in chorus we mine. Let's drink and be merry, all grief to refrain, for we may and we may never all meet here again. So here's a health to the company, likewise to my lass. Let's drink and be merry, all out of one glass. Let's drink and be merry, all grief to refrain, for we may never all meet here again. Here's a health to the wee lass that I lose so well. For style and for beauty there's none can excel. Aye, she smiles on me proudly as she sits on my knee, for there's none in this wide world as happy as me. So here's a health to the company, likewise to my lass. Let's drink and be merry, all out of one glass. Let's drink and be merry, all grief to refrain, for we may and we may never all meet here again. Now my ship lies in harbour and she's ready to sail. God grant her safe voyage without any gales. And if we should meet again, be it land or on sea, I will always remember your kindness to me. So here's a health to the company, likewise to my lass. Let's drink and be merry, all out of one glass. Let's drink and be merry, all grief to refrain, for we may and we may never all meet here again. So here's a health to the company, likewise to my lass. Let's drink and be merry, all out of one glass. Let's drink and be merry, all grief to refrain, for we may and we may never all meet here again. Cold winter was howling our moon and our mountain, and one was the surge on the dark rolling sea. When I met about daybreak a bonny young lassie watched me home, and the miles did Dundee. Said I, my young lassie, I can will tell the road and the distance I can will give, but if you permit me take on a wee bit, then I'll show ye the road and the miles to Dundee. Well, at once she consented and gave me her hand. Never more did I speak, rather was it that be. She appeared like an angel in future and form, as she walked by my side on the road to Dundee. Now at length, with a how, a strath met and behind, the spires of the tomb in full view we could see. And she said, gentle sir, I can never forget you, for showing me so far on the road to Dundee. Then she took the gold pen through the scarf at her bosom, and she said, keep you this in remembrance of me. Then bravely I kissed the sweet lips of that lassie, Well, he's gone to Melville Castle, boots and spurs and all, to bid the ladies a farewell afore he gangs awa. Now well, he's young and blithe and bonny, loot by een and all. Oh, what will all the lassies do when Willie gangs awa? The first he met was Lady Kate, she led him through the hall, and we a sad and sorry heart, she let the tears down fall. Beside the fire stood Lady Grace, said ne'er a word at all. She thought that she was sure of him afore he gaed awa. Well, he's gone to Melville Castle, boots and spurs and all, to bid the ladies a farewell afore he gangs awa. Well, he's young and blithe and bonny, look by een and all. Oh, what will all the lassies do when Willie gangs awa? Then bend the hoose, come Lady Bell, we'd wrath, you needn't a craw. Nae doubt the lad will fancy me and disappoint ye a'. Then down the stairs took Lady Jean, the floor among them all. Oh, lassies, trust in Providence, and ye'll get husbands a'. Well, he's gone to Melville Castle, boots and spurs and all, to bid the ladies a farewell afore he gangs awa. Well, he's young and blithe and bonny, loot by een and all. Oh, what will all the lassies do when Willie gangs awa? Then on his horse he rade awa, they gathered round the door. He gaily waved his bonnet blue, they set up sic a roar. The cries and tears broke Willie back, he's kissed them een and a'. Oh, lassies, bite till I come home, and then I'll wed ye a'. Well, he's gone to Melville Castle, boots and spurs and all, to bid the ladies a farewell afore he gangs awa. Well, he's young and blithe and bonny, loot by een and all. Oh, what will all the lassies do when Willie gangs awa? Oh, what will all the lassies do when Willie gangs awa? I ken you dinna like it, lass, to winter here in town, for the Scaldies are miscast, and they try to bring us down. But it's hard to raise 3 bairns in a single flea box room. But I'll take you on the road again when the yalla's on the broom. When the yalla's on the broom, when the yalla's on the broom, I'll take you on the road again when the yalla's on the broom. The Scaldies cause tinker dirt and they scorn were bairns in school. But folk cares for the Scaldie thinks, for the Scaldie's but a fool. They never hear the Yarman song nor see the flaxen bloom, for they're aye cooped up in houses when the yalla's on the broom. When the yalla's on the broom, when the yalla's on the broom, they're aye cooped up in houses when the yalla's on the broom. Nae sail for pegs nor baskets new, seduced to bide alive. For I've been to work at Scaldies jobs from 9 o'clock till 5. But we cannae man our master when we on the world round, and I'll bid farewell to Brechin when the yalla's on the broom. When the yalla's on the broom, when the yalla's on the broom, I'll bid farewell to Brechin when the yalla's on the broom. The springtime when we talk the road in Smare, to the plantain and the perlin and the berry fields at Blair, when we meet up with our kinfolk via the country round, and the Guyana boot folk talk the road when the yalla's on the broom. When the yalla's on the broom, when the yalla's on the broom, when the Guyana boot folk talk the road when the yalla's on the broom. When the Guyana boot folk talk the road when the yalla's on the broom.
naught but care on every hand, and every hour that passes, oh, it signifies the worth, oh man, and 'twas nae for the lassies, oh. Green grow the rushes, oh, green grow the rushes, oh. The sweetest hours that e'er I spent were spent among the lassies, oh. That's what we sing a bit louder. Green grow the rushes, oh, green grow the rushes, oh. The sweetest hours that e'er I spent were spent among the lassies, oh. The worldly race may riches chase, and riches still may fly them, oh. And when at last they catch them fast, their hearts can ne'er enjoy them, oh. Green grow the rushes, oh, green grow the rushes, oh. The sweetest hours that e'er I spent were spent among the lassies, oh. Give me a canty hurricane, my arms about my dearie, oh. And worldly cares and worldly men may all gae topsy-turvy, oh. Green grow the rushes, oh, green grow the rushes, oh. The sweetest hours that e'er I spent were spent among the lassies, oh. There's naught but care on every hand, and every hour that passes, oh, it signifies the worth, oh man, and 'twas nae for the lassies, oh. Green grow the rushes, oh, green grow the rushes, oh. The sweetest hours that e'er I spent were spent among the lassies. I'm gonna sing it on your own, try it, go on. Green green grow the rushes, oh. The sweetest hours that e'er I spent were spent among the lassies, oh.
I was born in Cape Breton, I was born by the sea, by the Seal Island Bridge and Sweet Boulder Tree. And by age 17 there was nothing for me, so I headed for Thorold, washed up on the beach. And I slept in the jungle, lived hard, took a fall. till I found myself standing at the SIU Hall. And with nothing to stay for, no kids and no wife, well, I signed on that morning for the rest of my life. And my back, it was strong and that strength never failed. Up the Detroit River on the Ferndale I sailed. And now I am married to the woman I love. She's a gift I was given from heaven above. And I call every morning and I call every night. She's all I ever wanted, the love of my life. And now in the evening when we talk on the phone, she says, I love you, darling, when you're coming back home.
Well,
Mr. French.
Hey, Bose.
How's it going?
You're looking good there, brother.
You're looking well yourself.
Oh, you got the beard on.
Yeah.
You got the beard on.
Well, before I had the last time I had just a little
Van Dyke thing there.
little thin one. Yeah.
Tonight, down the lane, I hear my boy sing. He says, Daddy, I miss you more every day. Beautiful. But when I hear your voice, then I feel alright. He says, I love you, Daddy, good luck and good night. Well, now in the evening when we talk on the phone, he says, I love you, Daddy, when you're coming back home. I was born in Cape Breton, I was born by the sea, by the Seal Island Bridge and Sweet Bowler Green.